In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design an animated line in Figma. Start by opening your design so you are working right where the animation will live. We'll create a simple line, then use a mask and variants to animate it smoothly. Draw your line using either the pen tool by pressing P or the line tool with L. If you want a perfectly straight line, hold Shift as you draw. Set the stroke weight and color to match your design. And consider using round caps for a cleaner look at the ends. Next, create the mask. Draw a rectangle over the line so it fully covers the path. The rectangle's color doesn't matter, since it will serve as a mask and won't be visible. Select both the rectangle and the line. Then click the Use as Mask icon in the top toolbar. You now have a masked group that will let us reveal the line over time. Keep the rectangle directly on top of the line in the layer order. And remember the mask layer's name, you'll need it to match across variants. Turn this masked group into a component. Right-click and choose Create Component, then add a variant so you have two states to animate between. Make sure the masking rectangle has the same layer name in both variants. That consistency is what lets Figma Smart Animate understand the movement. In the first variant, move the masking rectangle so the line is completely hidden. You can slide the rectangle so that none of the line is visible within the mask's bounds. In the second variant, move the rectangle to reveal the entire line from end to end. Think of it as the end state where the line is fully drawn on. Switch to the Prototype tab. Drag a noodle from the first variant to the second. Set the interaction to After Delay at 100 milliseconds, choose Smart Animate, and set the easing to Linear for a steady draw. To loop the effect, create a return connection from the second variant back to the first. With the same settings, this will continuously animate from hidden to revealed and back again. Now create a frame in your design. Open the Assets panel and drag your component onto the frame. Click Present or the Play button to preview the animated line. If you don't see movement, double-check that the mask rectangle is the layer that changes position between variants and that its name matches in both. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.